Hey everybody, it's John. Welcome to the free video. I did wait till the futures markets opened up. It's Sunday, halftime at the Super Bowl, so 7:51 right now, Central. And I'm a little surprised to see that the NASDAQ futures are actually up. I thought we might see more of an implosion. We were essentially flat going into the weekend. This makes sense, though. I'd actually like to see some short covering tonight. I'm not planning on trading tonight. But if we get a situation where we gap up tomorrow, I would look initially at selling it. Keep in mind, this market is an equal opportunity dream killer. So if there's a ton of shorts going into the weekend hoping for Armageddon, very likely they get their heads ripped off. But keep in mind, no doubt, that there is a rotation going on. And there is money coming out of stocks like LinkedIn. Okay, where is it going? In the premium video, I'm talking tonight about where this money is flowing into. And it's important just to understand, where is the money flowing into? It's definitely coming out of LinkedIn, right? It's definitely coming out of Netflix. It's hard to argue that it's coming out of Facebook. I mean, Facebook is near all-time highs, but obviously there was some selling there. But one thing that's interesting here, too, is that it's kind of, the biotech sector here, continues to see an outflow as well. So you're seeing these kind of speculative issues having problems, but money definitely flowing into other areas of the economy, so to speak. And then what about oil? Well, oil, and it's funny because I used to do a lot of research on the concept of peak oil, or the idea that there was a limited amount of oil on the planet, and it was going to drive oil to $300 a barrel. And at this point, as technology has improved, and this is something that Peter Diamandis talks about in his book called Abundance, that technology continues to improve essentially to assist the human condition, and technology's improved so much with fracking that it's extracted more oil and found more reserves than anybody thought possible, and this has created a situation that nobody anticipated. And now you got oil prices this low, and a lot of time and energy and money being put towards other types of like solar and kind of clean energy. Oil is going to be down for a long time, and the type of impact that that's going to have. And I'm going to talk about that in the premium video as well. But just kind of keep that in mind, that this is a big deal. And I predict at this point in 2017, the U.S. government is going to have to go negative with interest rates. Not a big deal for us traders. We'll talk about how to handle that, okay? Now, if you're newer to trading and how to take advantage of all this stuff, good news. All right, so for those of you that are newer to the whole concept of options, if you don't feel that confident, like, all right, what are options? How can I use them? Even if the world is imploding due to deflationary pressures and negative interest rates, it doesn't matter. If you know how to trade options, you can make money in that environment. So based on this, and we've actually had a lot of newer people kind of come to our site. So Henry and I are going to do a free webinar February 8th, that's Monday, from 7 to 8 o'clock Central. And we're going to be talking about why options offer far greater profit potential than the stocks with lower risk, how even beginners, okay, if you're a complete newbie, you got no clue, that's fine. You can use options for income and wealth generation, when to buy options and when it's more lucrative to actually sell them, why you only need to know a few key strategies and you can ignore the rest. The thing, my pet peeve about options trading books is that they are overly complicated, and it doesn't need to be. How to easily avoid the common mistakes new options traders make, okay? So simpleroptions.com/getting started. This will be a free webinar. Now, if you've been with us for a while and you've taken classes and you'd consider yourself, like, say, an advanced options trader, I'm just going to be up front. This is not a class for you. This literally is for newbies, okay? So hope that helps. You guys have a fantastic evening, and good luck to whoever you're rooting for in the Super Bowl, and we'll see you at the next update.